This is for room L103. Obstructed balcony room. We got all our stuff here. There's some storage space right here you can see with a safe. We got all our stuff there. Give you hangers to hang your stuff. Nice bathroom. Toilet is front facing, so you don't have to worry about your knees bumping the sink like on some of the places. Got a nice shower. Looks like it's probably about 8 foot high. That's a pretty tall shower, so that's good for tall people. Looks like there's some outlet possibly there. Nice storage spots there. There's a mirror. I did notice next to the bed, they do have outlets that are like USB right there on both sides. And then you got the bed. We have my child with me, so he's every evening they put the couch and it pulls out. There you go. Like I said, there's another charge spot right there next to the bed. On the lamps, they kind of camouflage in there, so it's hard to tell sometimes that they're there. Nice picture. Like I said, pull out couch, pretty comfortable couch also. And then you get, looks like we get a couple pillows each. It's really nice. And then you got a nice desk here that you can sit and relax in. Got a good TV. Lighting is very good. The only downer is in the above the hallway by the bathroom here. And I only say this because I don't know if it's a princess thing or what, but this light right here at night, anytime anybody walks right here, this light just pops on. So that definitely is not good. If you have somebody that gets up in the middle of the night, they wake up everybody because the light right here ricochets off of this mirror in the wall and it kind of lights up half this room. So be mindful. I don't know if it's a princess thing or if it's just an Enchanted Princess thing, but that light does light up the sky at night and there's no way to turn it off. So that's definitely unfortunate. We're going to try to put a card over it maybe to see if that'll stop the motion detection from turning on. Like I said, there's some good desk space here. You have a good fridge. Down here, your typical fridge. Put some stuff in there. Looks like you have a pull-out drawer, hair dryer. Now I said this is an obstructed balcony, so we took the chance because we saved some money to get this room. But it's a bigger balcony than the other rooms, so that's nice to have the bigger balcony. And it's forward facing, so your view is actually still pretty good. Like, I like it, and it's on the lido deck, so it actually is really nice just to walk out of your room and go straight to the buffet or a salty dog or the swirly ice cream shop, and then or the pool. It's all right outside your room. Here we are in Rhode Island at the moment, so got a nice view. And you do have the front of the ship, so you have everybody up there. But it's a pretty big deck. Enjoying it. So if you have any questions regarding the room or anything that I can answer, please leave a comment and I will give you my best answer.